Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you? You are welcome to my class. Today we will take class on transformation of sentences, class 7. In your previous classes you have practiced a lot of sentences like assertive, interrogative, imperative and optative. Today we will practice assertive to exclamatory and vice versa. So we will start our class transformation of sentence class 7. Before that you need to learn the outcomes of the today's class. By the end of the class you will be able to understand about assertive and exclamatory sentences, and then you will able to understand how to sense them, and at last you will able to sense them. Okay, so let's start the class. Assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence and vice versa. Okay, so what is assertive sentence? I think that you have got a clear idea about assertive sentences. You know that assertive sentence is started with subject and then verb, and extension is used at last. Okay, for example, Mita reads a book. Mita reads a book. Mita is subject here and reads is the verb of the sentence, and a book is the extension of this sentence. So next we will try to understand about exclamatory sentences. I know that you have understood about exclamatory sentences. Now we need to know the structure of the exclamatory sentences. First structure would be the exclamatory sentence is started with interjection. It is started with interjection like hurrah, alas, oh, ah, bravo, like that, and then subject, verb and extension. For example, hurrah, we have won the match. We have won the match. So hurrah is used here, and it expresses the inner feelings of a person. So it should be an exclamatory sentences. The next structure. So next example, alas, I have nothing to do. Hi, amar kichu korar nei. So next example, exclamatory sentences sometimes started with what and how. With what and how. For example, what a nice bird it is. Started with what, and then the extension part. After what, you would have extension part, and then subject and verb. It's another structure. Another example, how beautiful the scenery is. How beautiful the scenery is. How, extension part, the subject and the verb. In this way. So let's practice exclamatory to assertive sentences or assertive to exclamatory sentences. At first we will change assertive sentence into exclamatory sentences. Okay, number 1, it is a matter of joy that we have won the match. We have won the match. If you find that there is the expression like it is a matter of joy and the conjunction that, you should use hurrah. You should use hurrah and note of exclamation instead of it is a matter of joy. So if you want to sense from exclamatory to assertive, that time you should use it is a matter of joy that instead of hurrah. Okay, next you should use the next of the sentence subject we, then verb have won the match. Clear? I think that you will be clear. Okay, in this way you should try to sense them. If you have the word alas, that time you use it is a matter of sorrow. So if there is it is a matter of sorrow, you should use alas like this. It is a matter of sorrow. It is a matter of sorrow that I have nothing to do. So it's an assertive sentence. It's not with subject. Okay. So if we want to change it into exclamatory sentence, we should use alas instead of it is a matter of sorrow. Alas. Then you should use the subject and verb. I have nothing to do. Okay, it's very easy. You should practice from your exercise book. Understand? You should practice a lot of examples. It would make easier to you. Understand? So another example. If you want to assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence in this way, the flower is very beautiful. The flower is very beautiful. If you have like these sentences, that time you should use what or how. Understand? What or how. If there is no article, if you have found that there is no article, that time you should use how. You should use how. And if there is very or great, you should avoid it and then you should use from the adjective. Okay, you should use from the adjective how beautiful. How beautiful. That time you should use the subject, the flower, and then you should use the verb, the flower is, and you must use note of exclamation at the end of the sentence. Understand? Otherwise it would be wrong. Okay. So how beautiful the scenery is. Understand? So if there is article in assertive sentence, what will happen? If there is article, he has a nice pen. He has a nice pen. So there is article a or an. So you should use what? You should use what? And then you should use the article what? A. So if there is very, if here very is used, it should be omitted. It should not be used in. It should not used in exclamatory sentence. Okay. What a nice pen. Subject he, and you should use the verb as. And at last you must use note of exclamation. In this way, you may easily change any assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence. Okay. Another example. you have like this sentence, I wish I were a bird. It's unreal, but it's a wish. So if you want to change it into exclamatory sentence, that time you should use if instead of wish. Understand? If, and then you should use subject, verb and rest of the sentence. I were a bird. Understand? And then you should use the note of exclamation. In this way, you easily able to transform assertive sentence into exclamatory sentence. Now we will practice how to change exclamatory sentence to assertive sentence. Okay, my dear students, now we'll change exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. So how will we change? At first, we'll take an example. What a good boy he is. What a good boy he is. So if you want to change it into assertive sentence, that time you should use the subject first, subject and verb at the beginning of assertive sentence. Subject he and verb is. That time you should use the article if there is article. Understand? And then you should use very before the adjective, very, and then the extension or rest of the sentence. Very good boy. Understand? It's very easy. So you should practice it regularly at your home from your exercise book or grammar book. I think that you will easily practice them and you will able to sense them very easily. Understand? So if you want to sense it, if you have found that this, if I were a king. If I were a king. So that time you should change it in this way. You should avoid if and use the subject I and the verb wish instead of if. Instead of if, you should use I wish, and then the rest of the sentence. I were a king. Understand? It's very simple. It's very simple. Suppose you have a sentence, or you have found a sentence like this. Oh, I have a bad headache. Oh, I have a bad headache. It's an exclamatory sentence. Oh, আমার খুব মাথা ব্যথা করছে. So if you want to change it into assertive sentence, you should use, if the sentence is if the sentence expresses joy, you should use it is a matter of joy instead of the interjection, and if the interjection expresses sorrow, you should use it is a matter of great sorrow. So it's a matter of sorrow because I have a bad headache. That time you should use it is a matter of sorrow, and you should use the conjunction that. So instead of O, you should use it is. Sorry, is omitted here. It is a. It is a matter of sorrow that I have a bad headache. My dear students, you will able to understand the sentences if you practice them regularly. Any kinds of problem will be solved. If you have any problem, please contact with me, and I will try to solve your problems. So I hope that you would be very kind to your study. So you should be careful about your study. Then you will able to change them. Okay. So today we might finish the class. So thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.